Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. So basically this is just a video describing this house behind me. My dad bought it recently as an investment, and I'm doing a video series documenting the process of renovating it. So as the title says, this is the first house that I've renovated. So I'll just show you around real quick, give you a scope on the project, and hopefully see you in a future video. So going in the front door. So this is a house from the 60s, right there, 1964. And this is the first floor of the house, which is kind of a basement. You can see that the house is set into the hill. So it's a first floor, it's a basement, it's whatever you want it to be. So basically this house looked really rough before. This was filled with black mold. It was foreclosed, abandoned, all that stuff. Completely full of black mold. I was out of the country studying and I got a text from my parents, hey, we bought this house, and I'm like, okay. I get pictures of it, and boy, it looked bad. But this is the current status of the house, at least on the first floor. We have, well, some windows removed. We parged these walls and dry locked them. We have drains, French drains running all the way along the sides of these basement walls for waterproofing. If you want to see a video about parging the walls, you can click up in the corner here and watch that old video. And also you can watch videos about demolition here or here. So anyway, we also started reframing some stuff down here in the basement. I'll have future videos up about framing and what I've learned so far. But yeah, this is a first for a lot of stuff here for me. And I'm hoping that this video series will be interesting for you guys to watch. Just stuff learning along the way, and you know, just a cool process video. So this is the other side of the first floor. A wall's missing right now, but that will be the master bedroom. Got a nice view out over the property. Okay, so now I'll show you the upstairs of the house. The stairs, which we have moved, so they're not going to be crooked when we're done. So this is the upstairs of the house. A lot of demolition. Obviously the whole place is gutted down to the studs, and that took a lot of work. Like I said, the demolition videos show all that stuff, but this is the stage we're at. We're pretty much ready for rebuilding. So this is the living room. Nice fireplace, maybe a dining room type area. The kitchen is going to be over here. So sink, obviously under this window. Gets a nice view out over the pond into the woods. And then we have another room here. It can be a bedroom, you know, an office or something like that. Or a nursery, as John Mulaney would say. And then over here, there is a wall missing there right now, but this will be a a bathroom for this second story. This will be, you know, more of the public part of the house. This upstairs where you would have people over, you know, stuff like that. And then coming over here to this door, we have the garage, which is attached to the house. Right now it's just full of tools and junk And then we'll go outside real quick. And out here we have a concrete pad. There used to be a garage extension, an addition out here, but there was a bunch of problems with the addition, so we ended up having to bulldoze that down. I'll link here the video so you can go watch that process of taking down this entire garage and being left with just the concrete pad. We put a new roof on the house, and we're just trying to move along and get it renovated and ready to sell. So now in this last part of the video, I'll show you guys the really cool part of this property, which is the actual land itself. So besides the house, which is nice, the real gem of this property is the 9.7 acres that are next to it. So right in front of the house, I started the video on that little dock next to the pond. So this is super cool. You have a deck right off the living room and kitchen that overlooks all this woods. This pond, which is full of fish, and just some really awesome plants and wildlife around here. Do some quick B-roll, show you guys what this place is all about. Hey, so if you made it this far in the video, thanks so much for watching. If you could do me a big favor, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video.